Hi, welcome back on my Lego build channel, and in this video I will show you new Lego Technic leaks for Lego, two new Lego Technic sets for 1st March 2023. And also in this video I will show you only these two sets, but on the Tuesday it will be new video for leaks, and there it will be video for new Lego architecture leaks for 4 months, because it is very important for me, this new Lego architecture leaks. So let's look on these leaks, and you can see only two sets, new boxes, and I think let's start. Also, you can give me subscribe because we'll go to 150 subscribers, and also you can give me like, and you can write some comments, and also you can look on my Instagram every Monday or Tuesday. I make new some picture from some Lego Technic architecture or icons, and I put on Instagram. And I think that's all for introduction, and let's start. Fine, the first set is this Lego 421 53 NASCAR Next Gen Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, and also it is the next medium car after the Lego Technic Bugatti Bolide, and definitely you will see this video. You will see this car in my video after release date. Fine, and the price, this set will cost $50, and this set will have 672 pieces, and the release date will be 1st March 2023. And also this set will have many functions. It will have steering wheels. Also, the design of this car is very beautiful for me. And so the main function of this set is V8 engine in the front, and this engine is absolutely movable. So the pistons in the engine are moving. And also this set is first set with collaboration with partnership with Lego and NASCAR. And also this this car some some set in Speed Champions, and it was in year 2019, I think, and there was this car in small and blue color combination, and also the car in Speed Champions was different than this car. This new car will have new bumpers on the front and on the back, and it is the main thing between the new and old car. And I think that's all for this set. Definitely you will see this set in my video. And also then there are the other information for this set. You can read it. Fine, and that's all for this beautiful Lego NASCAR set. the first NASCAR Lego Technic. And let's look on the another set, and it is Lego 421 54 2022 Ford GT. The price of this set will be almost 120 dollars, and this set will have 1466 pieces, and the release date will be same that the first set, and it will be 1st March 2023. And the different thing is this set will it is first 18 plus set in the first half of this year. I don't know if this another Peugeot car will be in the first and half of this year, or it will be in the second half of the year. But it is the first 18 plus Lego Technic set. And also this set has many functions. Fine, this set has many functions. The main of the functions are that this set will have same moving V6 engine. Also, it will have steering wheel, rear wheel drive, and other functions of this set will be that this set will have opening doors, working spoiler wing, and other small functions with the beautiful color combination with dark blue color with white stripes. And also this set will be the first more complicated set that the other sets in the first half of the year, and it will be more complicated to building. And I think that's all for the introduction for the Ford GT, and let's look on the another information. And there are another information for the this car, and I think you can read it. Fine, that's all for this car. You can see on this slide or all information for functions of this set, and also you can see the car without the box. But the box of this set is interesting. But I don't know if this set will be in my video. I think maybe it will be, maybe it wouldn't be in my video. And I think that's all for this video. You can look forward to next Lego new architecture leaks on Tuesday, and next on the Friday it will be new speedboat for Taj Mahal. And I think that's all. I see you at the new video. Bye.